Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of growing and evolving into a better you, successful you, whatever you see necessary, is realizing that every single day is a new start. You can't spend too much time dwelling on what has gone. Today's a new day, yesterday's gone, you're never going to get that back. It's all about what are you going to do today to make the most of it. And when you wake up every single day, you have to realize and think about all the things that you're grateful for. Think about all the things that you plan to do, how you plan to progress through the day. As hard as it is, as nice as it is to have a 10-year goal, 5-year goal, plans of what you achieve, it all starts day by day. It all happens and is linked to how you spend your days. If you spend your days moping around and thinking, okay, somehow my business is going to flourish, somehow I'm going to be the best version of myself, somehow I'm going to be mentally, physically and financially stable, but every single day you're taking away from you achieving that. Every single day you're holding on to what hasn't gone right, you're holding on to yesterday's mistakes, you're holding on to yesterday's troubles, then how are you going to get to that stage? You have to really think today as a fresh start. You may not have had the best day yesterday, but don't bring it into today. Make the most of today. How are you going to add value to your life today? That's what you have to ask yourself daily. Am I showing gratitude? Am I expressing myself? Am I loving wholeheartedly? Showing and telling people how much I care about them? Am I understanding that the world is full of negativity and they're going to bring that into my space? Yes, but you have to choose to not let that come into your space. You have to choose to not let people's angers and mistakes get into your own world, into your day. You have the key to your happiness throughout the day. You have the key to add value to your life. You control what you can and what you can't do during the day, and you control what it consists of. So do something positive. Work towards your goal. Work towards your weekly goal. Accomplish things on your list. It's easier said than done, but you have to think of it that way. You can't just progress and reach your 5-year plan if you're not fixing today. You have to wake up and decide today is going to be a good day. I'm choosing to have a good day. I'm going to start my day the way I mean for it to end. I'm going to be kind. I'm going to add value to somebody else's life. I'm going to add impact. I'm going to do good in life. All it takes is day by day. Before you know it, you're impacting people's life. You're thinking positively. You're controlling how you spend your days. Of course there'll be down days, but if you can look back in a week and realize that okay, you've had one negative day but the rest of the week was good, then you've got it under control. You don't want to review your week every single time and realize that you were upset 5 out of 7 days a week. Then at that point, are you really living, or are you letting other surrounding factors impact your day and impact your whole week? So you have to realize that you have to leave yesterday's problems and not bring them into today. And you have to really look within yourself and realize maybe I'm not having the best week because I've developed a negative attitude. Maybe I'm choosing to see the worst in people. Maybe I'm letting things that should only upset me for 5 minutes last longer than 2 days. You have to really think, the thing that I'm upset about right now, would that matter in 5 years time? Would that matter in 3 days time? You have to really be in control and choose to have a good day every day. So remember, today is a good day to have a good day. Don't let people's negativity get into you. Don't let people steal your joy, and do whatever it is that you have to do to give you a moment of joy within one day. If that means meditating, if that's exercising, if that's journaling, make sure that you journal every single time so you can track your emotions, track your feelings, and have an overview so it'll be easier to reflect back at the end of the week. Do whatever it takes for you to have a new start every single day. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.